Hey there, welcome to the world of Getyn Super Apps. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an amazing tool that's going to revolutionize the way you communicate, Getyn Voice. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or freelancer, Getyn Voice has everything you need to manage your calls and boost your productivity. So, let's jump right in and explore how this incredible software can benefit you. First off, let's talk about the benefits. Getyn Voice is a cloud telephony and business communication app that allows you to buy virtual numbers in over 90 countries. With features like call forwarding, text messaging, IVR setup, and more, Getyn Voice empowers you to streamline your communication and take your business to new heights. It's all about making your life easier and your business more efficient. All right, now let's see and explore some of the key modules and features of Getyn Voice. Let's start with the Buy Numbers module. Here, customers can buy virtual phone numbers in over 90+ countries and set them up within minutes on Getyn Voice. Whether you need toll-free, local, or mobile numbers, we've got you covered. Plus, all of our numbers support SMS and popular apps like WhatsApp and Telegram. It's never been easier to expand your business globally. Also, you can use these numbers for personal use, like a secondary phone number. Now let's see how call forwarding works. After purchasing a number, go to My Number section. Here you can set up call forwarding to route incoming calls to any other number worldwide. Whether it's your mobile number or another business number, you can easily manage calls from any country and run your international business seamlessly. We also support SIP forwarding for added flexibility. Another cool feature of Getyn Voice is IVR. With the IVR module, you can give callers a seamless experience by setting up voice greetings and creating key press menus. Route callers to the right department effortlessly with our smart IVR feature. It's all about enhancing the caller experience and making sure they reach the right person every time. Got big call center to run? No worries. If you have multiple agents to route calls to, our contact center module is perfect for you. Set up call queues, paper call campaigns, and route calls based on priority, agent skills, and concurrency cap. With advanced routing options, you can design the call flow to suit your business requirements perfectly. It's like having your own virtual call center at your fingertips. Last but not least, Getyn Voice provides extensive reporting to monitor the stats of incoming calls, track call duration, view call logs, missed calls, and more. With real-time insights and access to call recordings, you'll always stay on top of your communication game. It's all about empowering you with the data you need to make informed decisions. Wait, that's not all. Apart from these key modules and features, Getyn Voice is loaded with many other add-on modules like pay-per-call to track revenue and conversions, and much more. There's so much to explore and discover. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a trial and explore the amazing features of Getyn Voice today. And don't forget to check out our product tour videos for a deeper dive into all that Getyn Voice has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy calling with Getyn Voice.